dear, me say, but to a challenge. So I saw your bapa, one day one more meeting, no only matem. Nothing not to
Sammy me body. Now me bow din. You will arrest me and take me to court. Papa, so ye bear man was so wash. Now what boss? Bomidin Agradaa. I will arrest you.
She near air course on one. Like Utimi who say, Nipa be jai papaye. I'm going to dare her. What parfum nekui? One more Hopeson and no more me empress gifted in. Remember that damn wokruma.
Papa hopeless. But don't try to threat me, Mr. Hopeless, aka Metal Hill Check.
Other for a fiaba and a Yugusua ye and evangelist Mapat Agradaa and I think Sammy Gyamfi lessons and Samia. Ever trendy over social media such as a Gusu air trendy and on an idea Hopeson Adorye Abekasa Edia fan watches and Yasam to a crown on your buy was sending strong warning Edia evangelist Mapat so one of the one who Hopeson war ma a year Agradaa warning pass when you nobody dear a yadia so bet you know out to. Other for Yensie and Samahodua, Hopeson Adorye, Ebeka, Edefa, Sammy Gyamfi, and I think soon Mama Pat, dollars in same year by at was so Edia Mamma.
She near air course on one. Like Utimi who say, Nipa be jai papaye. Especially appointees. Near Essie, Sabre, Yasomuna Koka no. What you before 7 o'clock 7 so? We appointee our present government. Now who Agradaa so bell now we jinaho. Now what chiao keke as some Mahama Pamu. That woman is evil. He planned to do whatever she was doing. Now here attention keke. Sadi no kokoye no. Eye boapayo. Hey, wa dima tem wa dimi that can be decided semi muano. I'm going to dare her. What parfum nekui? One more Hopeson and no more me empress gifted in. Remember that damn wokruma. Would you me say, but to a challenge? So I saw your bapa. One day one more meeting, no only matem. Nothing not to. Now me did not court so. Ah, how can you do that? Yeah, maybe. Sammy Gyamfi, da ne video so. And the walkers and the one was saying Casano, we end this in our coma betty. Look, Sammy Gyamfi should call this woman and tell her say free and with immediate effect. On person within every person and nubium. On person be who in funny, I want a page. He should be able to do that. Yamubiya is of no effect because he am famous Sammy Gyamfi. Sammy Gyamfi should call him. Hey, one year na do film, man on body defense bi amano. Because near one geno. What shampo for bufu? Look, baby, as I'm here no. Be me call a year nibi. But be free one man as mo eba. Ye free one man eba no. I mean, rantie name my boy mabo honorable baby big akama eni ade. Eye boni. Sa be mo bibibi. Me mo big me so one ye monje na monche. Na wo hwe sa video ni wie pa. Na wo hwe se na no se halase samia. Sa Sammy Obia or fair or Satrin dear so look in opposition. One day, Nami was reading Bisa. And I'm going free Samuel. What's in over here? And I'm sure. What's it? Oh, when you grab me say, oh, we didn't come me Pefueka grandma. In opposition. Oh, men make a chero. Number 4 campaign was one of the regions. Sammy Gyamfi. Then me say. And I'm saying, oh, and I may send you in a photo account to me, Mamiana. I know you account in the day, and I'm so okay. Was okay, why you know, a bit my family, me say, I may say, was sending Miska, I was shocked. Sammy Gyamfi. This is the guy in the opposition. Sir, Mahu, dear, Etiano, before some about video, ye. What's that? Or Shasiano, Nani Kunu, walk on one and the Kunu. And the phone was starting so wuka. But now Agradaa crew, but some video when Ankasano, no bitch na the crew nechi. I'm sorry, money be. Or no catch or muso munka. and we try to go wura kanum no we free the left side e by right side so be capture sika no sabe obi na woni sika last time be tie Sammy what's over 24 years no over 50 acres na you can say 50 workers e wona adwuma mu a wotu omuka na de yedu kuma se ase enim Sammy Gyamfi ne lounge ne ade wodu ho adwumra se ne amanfo gu ho ne ade so won ete no eti se wo enye se wa bas keke
ama papa ye no
me na me ka cho enye se wa bas keke no se o Agradaa ho fenti jisika
program
no won na wo ka che ne se wo hia fuel
and wo ma
wo hwe kra na Sammy e hye da muwa no wo de hwe se no ye se o ade yanko kadum na me nkwaje yanko kadum na me nkwaje e de ja Sammy koko ritina ka mu not know we say obi video eti boni ben say wo hu obi na nipa ne se osika na wo ma ni bi na fi ababedane
we are government appointed
just we government appointed ababedane boni e brand wo position no cha microphone scan dey tira mwanga the video bi ana ba wo mi achiche scan no look at this
we to
wo dey keske kita no dey kese no twetwe e dey
ba tobo momposu
moko eyi omo akọ campaign omo national
scan dey kwa ba o me dollars
what omo wakọ gina platform so ne mpabo ehye no Gucci mpabo wa tonu for cry $2,500
ene ho mpabo
na bi wo hwe ne shorts wo hwe ne top watch e bono about $20,000
na bi
na original stage no so nko wo calculate ne che ne watch the t-shirt ne shorts na ya close to $50,000
and na bi nko
what they call gina so just once or ba another time obesa sesa the same thing
cappuccino
designers apapa abodin
50 cents
yes and I want to
GOS
when the car say what to sadio maniti ese pamu na wo ye board chairman buffer stock
na bi na kwala ni nya duani ni no
they say no ye deputy can say
national service
director national service wo free ho and obeye board chair
e wo buffer stock
what a possible na hwe nyama na wo tuto wo salary na ye sen
yeme wa bratia
I will me bought 20,000
o ware in opposition
20,000
what airport hills
what you born na say wuni ani a wo be ka so bo ordinary watch this unim fashion
me weather mo
so unim fashion a who pa we say yes expensive watch the bono
me weather mo watch ni bi no
and na me ba na me di America me watch bi a me ba to free America be che me birthday last year $4,800
what you say
me bagelo and not to the be che me
bagelo and not to the
aduma wo ye ho no say mami nkonko dim papa
me celebrate me
and eja oto e no de bre me obi bought $20,000 watch mo sorry a na mo anu look Sammy Gyamfi in opposition 276 constituencies woma every communication officer motorbike enye party na to wo mo ankasa and the koko yela la sulala no so ne dia woto chese what the ma wo mu nyina the 16 regions wo bomodia pickups and the all regional communication officers
nationwide
all the 16 regions and such a person are you telling me say he cannot afford you can say $800 and MPP for akokotwe Agradaa video bi a wo ye no 2003 no kita $10,000
Agradaa video dia almost circulation there
dey August 2023 sorry August 2023 ne na no kita was hwe 10,000 you know na hwe ne yi ne looks na hwe ene sisanye ewu
mo se na o kan sem tire
me ma shada kwa check ahwe August 2023 sika Sammy di mani wo kan sika na ekita no anu ohwim free sem anu osaje
ya lense kwa osan de no eno odi agro
Sammy mpe yiti o mani tu kan ntem anu free honum anu okoye wo sire obi sika wa kan ma wa ekita no wasa hwim afri honum you see enya problem say Sammy yi sika wa abonti ho na problem no ye that evil woman me say the video bi o de mo me pese nka Ghana for ti asem a wakafa mahama ho wose nyankopon ya che ne se ba omi na be we ne elections Ekika kokodru baby sebe ama o ma mi twa asere o kan nyina wo video
ya Agradaa no
o kan nyina wo video no mu
eno de o
what you want eno na ma full soldiers no enyo mu ya but you see NDC full soldiers yes remu mon kama komantu mu yam
Sammy ni
mumna from boko hwe mako Sammy office 2 occasions first one na me call ne office ono me ro na me say na utimi sa pressure nyina
edom nie
omo osis ho na sa reception ho no e hwa ye ma party ngwa ebe shisha party t-shirt kra ana wo ko ne reception ho na ngasa nso so a e ho nso aye ma
be no ye adwuma
me wura ma ni 5 minutes kra da me kwa pay information bi ana me we dey misro the way amanfo aye ma wa ha no me take you time kra ana me de koye second time am koye ma ni 5 minutes bi bene na ne asapon ye ko man briefing bi and ye free honum and ye koye because nyamba bi wo honum a esese otimi hu hwe MPP ni wache no kra no hwe ne penufurata dia ye oman yi hwe se MPP full soldiers gina ejira nachi e support no hwe ne ekosu gina na abranti ya ye man aduma in less than 3 months no wa hyehyɛ nua matoto nua magina awie ama ene wontimi smoggle gold free chromase wo kohodum na send wo de party for city mo se den hwɛ in politics strategy wo Sammy beti ba yusu all the strategies
MB fosuru no
etoda wo enemy a wo beti ma chew enemy no wa capture no go ba be do side what you say wo enemy no voice no wo beti ma capture na ba be do side ebi osusu a wo betima jane sa se wo de ko o free range dia wo ko bia no ko e ma de ye na so obi ba mo ba be bu nkotodwe se de me ye no ma nya de ye ni sei na se wa ma na futuo na chinchina wo pressure ma de bia me bia no mo nya botre boko wo de full soldiers no wo nya bra ko na kokosra Sammy se one city ground obenya de amawa wo soso de no mamo nkene MPP fo enkonko yese yempamu no kelofoliata MPs na 88 se kufado pamu no
of 137
wasi jisa temuda wampamu no watremu a
wode wapache wo
Sammy grade eje se bia wapache o se maba be wieska wasi onim da
enye bribe
onim da se
onye bribe
obi twa video
onye bribe no
bribe se de aba bonten a ama party for ni di yawo no wasi opamu chewo yesremu Sammy Gyamfi pamu chewo momra fo first time I mean Sammy Gyamfi share wo radio ye share wasempa am so ne Nuruddin or Asafaje omu ba that day and me catch Yabobia Samuel say this guy is a guy to watch because the guy was so good,
brilliant.
I mean
very intelligent,
very
yeah.
So when you know eti yesremu munya botre boko
jana dum haya
etoda I mean yent Muhammad timi che chese enso obia so
es natural mineral water e
adumjano gra
enso ni new es natural mineral water me say e
adumjano but we are making that one say
shut up
me say Sammy Gyamfi obi a wotie bibia ebia no aye busy mon kanche ne say won fa phone ene yam Agradaa mon kanche ne say with immediate effect on pese obebonidin with immediate effect one person within the picture ebetu ni page so or yes sir
on stopping no
assembly na be
from blocking okra
ebeko from okra anafe matisi okeka se obehwehwe baby Sammy Gyamfi office wo no what the 800 no abrand back
almost stopping no
and this boys mun kwete ho odu ha bompo no
oh dabi hope
hey
no
double check
no
see me
it's brother di
esi so mkoko
no
Mogabi
no
mami film
thank you
be say omun ko boss Sammy Gyamfi hu ban
fantastic
so what do wa mun papa da ni so
oh dabi oh say take it out please we are here to educate, to inform and to entertain. Take it out for
informing na me inform o mo say what do wa mun papa da ni so
all due respect to my senior brother take that word out please With all the
me say Sammy Gyamfi office.
We try.
Me nka tie me. My position be here.
Ebro ne there with all due respect.
Mogami.
No.
My position be here. What am I?
No. Before say the microphone is off. With all due respect. Take that word.
Before say me out no. My position answer ma taking it out. Man ka say mon kobro no. Me say o momra Sammy Gyamfi office. Omoma Sammy Gyamfi office.
Omom protecting no.
Adia what said
you've not taken it out.
Till William said you are this government.
No, but you've not taken it out.
What say?
No, take that side, you know. Your papa and so take it out.
Office what you about papa.
With all due respect.
Huh?
You are my senior brother.
With
all due respect.
Okay, my way
yeah, that's it.
So why that's sorry evangelist my part Agradaa so abe reply Hopeson Adorye enya asem send we abet to be e de aman niye pa say asem na aba na se wo ka bia adenti e na wo be intimidate na say wo be ye nea ense emfata na say wo be ka nea ense emfata e de afa wo e de mama part abet to be e de amane Hopeson Adorye ye pa enya asem ketuwa bo say wono na wo ma ne won ense ma no embo ne yiri din ana yentie reply ya evangelist Mapasa Agradaa edi ama eye Hopeson Adorye kwa kotie no na make am for tap send edi ama so wam no na so seniska edi abaga na efa mobile money bank account na say zipay akwa app store na say Play Store no ko download tap send ebisa promo code anu about TV edi a show ni a show bonus edi account yento shmedofpa yentie reply evangelist Mapat edi abre Hopeson Adorye
Papa hopeless. As someone ba obi e can be, you have the right so watching, but don't try to threat me, Mr. Hopeless, aka Metal Wheelchair. Papa, we a coward. What about threaten me? Sammy me body, na me body. You will arrest me and take me to court, Papa. So ye bear man was so shwa. Now what boss? Bomidi Agradaa. I will arrest you and take you to court and prosecute you and put you into your level. Who dares you? How dares you? Asama ba wo chirawa jeng obi e chena jeng. You get the capacity to leave your wife over there and come and disrespect me. So one so we a bema bomidi. The law is not for anybody. The law is there for everybody. So if you are a man and you are not a coward, as you were sitting there refusing to mention my name, Mr. Hopeless, aka Wheelchair, I will put you into your position. You have been tried several times to disrespect me. By this time around, if you are a man with balls, if you are a man, as you are sitting on the radio trying to bring my credibility down, mention my name, Midin at the Agradaa, I will arrest you. You have thrown the challenge, and I am here to throw the same challenge to you. So you bema ashwa a boto, and you have go to radio station, sawko kamasem, and you are putting warning. Some of your ba mimo wiridi na mimo din. I was expecting you, if you are not a coward, you will mention my name. Mention my name for me to know you are talking about me, Agradaa. I will put you into your position. I will put you into your level. You are nobody in front of me. Let me tell you, respect yourself. You can't bring your nonsense in front of me. I have not come to your level. You have been disrespecting me over years, over time, insulting me radio station to another radio station. But this time around, if my matter has come and you are trying, say you share your opinion, don't come and threaten me. Bekami entia, wo bomi yiridin, na wo bomi dia, mechinetum. Papa, I am putting it to you. If you are a man, bomi din, I will arrest you. I will prosecute you. I will put you into your position. You are fooling too much in this country. If you are a man, come out and mention my name for me to start with you.
Abusiafo na chesen sama odro a Hopeson Adorye ebeka ye na die mama part abe reply no eno ene yekunekuti ho enseme bae message so fa comment eto ase wo so share na goto afase na obi aspect maka video bi me dey abna oso mo fama kram ye be se share ebiem
Mr. Mankwa me wo fase wo se ni sika bane e de awie ni project no eso de bia me wo fase ka ma ne wo problem
enemre mu na monte tap sending ka
no so ne de
tap send here easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I will buy any say.
Chine say one call App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download dia. Ebebu sanso promo code. O ma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esanse tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers wanti or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about any say.
So your customer who you kesisia. Ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet woso. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no. Anase mpo betimi atususu nkakra enti abere sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no tie
and you said to say you use momo Ghana haydo
sa pepepe se si tap send that trena shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands and Austria. Tap send na papa no.